Enphase Energy ENPH is trending downwards after the company posted better than expected earnings per share but issued softer than anticipated Q3 guidance, which has amplified investor concerns about weakening demand and ongoing headwinds in the residential solar market. The guidance miss, combined with renewed tariff uncertainty and policy risk, has triggered a string of analyst downgrades, pushing the stock to test multi year lows not seen in over 5 years. Investor sentiment is sharply divided. Bulls argue the recent sell off may be overdone, pointing to Enphase's strong balance sheet, industry leadership in microinverters and energy management solutions, and the potential for a rebound if macro conditions stabilize. Some retail traders see the dip as a chance to accumulate shares at a deep discount, betting on a turnaround fueled by long term global shifts toward renewable energy. However, bears remain cautious, highlighting Enphase's heavy reliance on subsidies and tax credits to support demand, especially in North America and Europe. With higher interest rates, softer housing markets, and policy uncertainty around clean energy incentives in the US and EU, skeptics worry that earnings growth could stay under pressure for longer than expected. Community discussions are increasingly focused on where the stock might bottom, with technical traders eyeing key support levels and the potential for a capitulation bounce if short interest climbs. Others are speculating whether Enphase's weakened valuation could make it an attractive takeover target for larger energy players or diversified industrials looking to expand their renewable portfolios. Adding to the uncertainty is the political backdrop. Investors are debating how upcoming elections in the US and Europe might affect solar incentives, tariffs on imported components, and the broader investment environment for clean energy companies. In short, Enphase's recent drop has turned it into a battleground stock, with some seeing a bargain amid the gloom and others bracing for more downside as the solar sector navigates a tough macro and policy climate.
Speaking of supports, there's a support down here at $16 and some fractions, 16.23. So yeah, the stock is showing has been showing a lot of weakness, relentless weakness within a longer term bearish trend. It's just been declining non-stop. I really can't say if this deep is a buy. Regardless, we have currently in play right now. There are some upper projections in the midst of all of this weakness. Beginning from the downward projections, we have 21.35, 24.64, 29.96. Upper projections 42.36, 45.93, 48.14. The extrapolation of the 3-day moving averages for lower prices to keep printing. I really can't see what is down here. Yeah, probably let's just go. I think yeah, we can get the date from this price spread momentum indicator. So somewhere around it's better to keep printing lower prices up till Tuesday, the 5th of August, and then maybe it may pivot from there. Yeah, may pivot from there, and then buying pressure is expected to begin to pick up from there as well. But I need to confirm what I'm looking at here, so I'm just going to remove these indicators and have a look at the chart. I believe it's possible for me to adjust. Okay, I don't want to be messing around with these. If you don't mind, let me see. Let me just remove this. We still haven't can still still can't see it. Yeah, it seems maybe 5th of actually maybe beyond that maybe towards the middle of August. I really can't see the bottom there. Maybe try one more time and okay, yeah, we have it here. It's yeah, 11th of August. That's when the bottom is supposed to print out. Is expected to print. Yeah. Okay, so we'll just quickly go back and have a look at the 4-hour chart. Okay, on the 4-hour chart, let's see what we have. Yeah, lower prices are expected to remain in place up till the end of today's trading session. So A pivot is expected to kick in. Is expected to rebound from today, from the post market session of today, and then the extrapolation is saying that it's going to be an accumulative consolidation going into Friday, the 1st of August. There's no guarantee that that will be the case. Let's see now. We have 42.85, 44.48, 45.50. On this 4 hour chart, the extrapolation is for a deep buying opportunity is presenting is presenting the case that an opportunity is there to buy this dip, but I personally really don't see that much in the stock myself. Let's see. Okay, let's apply the price pressure momentum indicators to see what is going on. Okay, selling pressure still in place. Yeah, and even by, yeah, I can see very negative, but we have a positive first derivative for its 10 period moving average. This one has a positive second derivative, so it's just indicating that selling pressure has is decelerating. Okay, so we have, okay, so momentum here is actually, yeah, buying pressure is expected. The extrapolation is saying that it's going to kick in by the close of today's trading session and remain stable. Yeah, remain stable even with yeah, as the stock keeps on rebounding, but may decline as it progresses. Okay, well, it's a mix of things. At various points, may decline and then pick up again. Yeah. Let's see now. Let's see. One other thing we can do is let me see. One other thing we can do is apply the market grid on this 4 hour chart. So yeah, we can see here. It's good to see what's going on, even though it's extrapolating a rebound to a core. We have to have a look here. We have lower prices still on the grid, indicating that it has potential to still print at lower prices. We have here 32.24, 33.26. It's at 36.45 now, 34.41, 35.56. And then, so it's currently trading in between the support and the resistance zone. So it's quite neutral now based on its, with reference to what's going on in this market grid. It's yeah, this market grid. The market grid obviously is a range of values, a range of prices that it's the algos have calculated that it can trade within. So in as much as there is the extrapolation that a pivot is going to occur, a pullback is going to occur by the end of today's trading session. Just bear in mind that it also has the potential to still print lower prices. So at the top of the grid is 40.92. So if it gets there, it may be an indication that maybe you should start considering taking your money out. But that that does not really it doesn't always follow. It could get there and still blast through and print even higher prices. So see what you make of ENPH, and thank you very much for watching this video.